Hello everyone, my name is Albert Ilzalturi. Today I would like to just quickly share what I have learned about use case diagrams. I have taken the CIT 260 I think it's the 260 course, or 261. Anyways, we talk about a lot of the use case state sequence activity diagrams. But it was pretty hectic. It was hard to grasp the whole concept of what these diagrams are used for, or how to use them. I mean, but the use case is kind of simple. I kind of like it. It makes sense to me. So what a use case diagram, what it does, it describes actions of a user and system. So you have an actor, at least one actor, the person that's going to be using the application or the system, whatever it is interacting with. And then you have the use case is an external view of a system that represents the action of a user. When to use to help expose requirements when planning the project. So how to draw it, main things is you have an actor, which is a sick person with the label of a role, which you'll see in my example soon, and the use case circle with the label of actions. And you also see arrows that are pointing between the interactions of the actual use case circles. So let's show you what a use case I have. So you'll see three roles. You have the student, parent for this. You have the instructor and the student, the scheduler. Most likely the scheduler. So the scheduler can either be the student or the parent, and what this application is to schedule appointments with the instructor, and either the instructor be able to either accept or deny the schedule. So what the student or parent can do will be able to view their drives or cancel their drives, which means they'll be able to view or cancel their appointments. So this is what they can interact with. The instructor, what they can interact with is the view of the student contact info and the view of the student's drive of what the student's schedule. The scheduler, whether it be the student or the parent, can view the drive of the schedule, their specific schedule, but they won't be able to necessarily view the student contact information. The scheduler can manage the users, so it can manage who's also has access to the drive, whether it be the parent or another student. They can access manage vehicles, and they can access the managed drive appointments. So they can decide which vehicle they want to use while being instructed on driving. Next is managed drive appointments. So when they can be the appointments for driving, whether it be create, delete, or edit. So they can create a driving a time to be for the appointment. They can delete the appointment, or they can edit the appointment, whether it be a different time or anything. And that's pretty much what a use case is. Diagram is. And the next is the use case document. Here is the use case document. Pretty much is a set of tests in order to how the application would work based on what the user uses. So in this case, the first one is the use case is a set appointment. So whether so it's going to be the case is how a user will be able to set an appointment. Like it says, the description is going to be a scheduler will set the drive appointment. The level of importance of the use case is just a user goal. This is what the goal for the user is, to be able to set the appointment. Primary actor, the actors, in this case is going to be the scheduler. Preconditions, the scheduler will set a drive appointment. Post-conditions, this is what is to be expected. This is what to be expected before, this is what it's to be expected afterwards. So if it succeeds, the end conclusion should be the instructor will be notified. If it fails, the scheduler will not be able to set the appointment, and it will not see appointment being in his manageable folder. And the trigger for this is the scheduler clicks the create button. And these are there's more. The importance of the use case document is to have a set of different cases that you can test to make sure that you know how the application is going to work. So you'll have the student cancels appointment. The main actor is going to be the student. What's the success? What you want to see if it's success is going to be the instructor is notified. Of failure, the student will still have appointment in the drive if the appointment is not canceled, if this doesn't work. And so if you guys have any questions, if you want to go through that, I have a link on this video that you can go and see this, access this GitHub folder. And thank you for your time.